Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Hindustan Unilever Ltd. Our analyst maintains a buy on HUL with an unchanged price target of Rs 2,725. Likely revival in rural India and its underperformance versus broader indices makes HUL a preferred pick in the consumer goods space. The stock trades at 56 times FY25 and 50 times FY26 estimated EPS. FY 2024 performance was hit by subdued rural demand, leading to muted revenue growth. However, HUL maintained its leadership position in 85% of its portfolio. It invested a large part of raw material cost savings on brands. Cash flow generation stayed strong, with free cash flow at Rs 13,472 crores. FCF by EBITDA of 97%. Return ratios remained stable year on year, with ROE at 20% and ROCE at 39%, which is ex goodwill. Management continues to focus on achieving volume-led growth across businesses, aided by distribution, expansion, digitization, innovation, and premiumization. With strategies in place, HUL is expected to deliver a revenue and PAT CAGR of 10 to 12% over FY24 to FY26. Next, we have an update on Tata Consultancy Services, which is TCS. Our analyst maintains buy on TCS with a price target of Rs 4,750. The company reported a solid quarter with strong revenue growth, up 2.2% quarter on quarter in constant currency terms, beating our estimates, while margin declined 130 bips on account of wage hike. With wage hike behind it, management believes EBIT margin trend to inch up and moves towards the aspirational 26 to 28% band. Management commentary indicates order pipeline continues to stay healthy, and overall management maintains FY25 to be better than FY24. We expect 11% sales, 15% PAT CAGR over FY24 to 26. At current market price, the stock trades at 27.3 times FY25 and 23.1 times FY26 estimated EPS.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.